Rose.
No, Dexter top. Me like Dexter top.
Like Dexter top.
Me like Dexter. The Dexter top.
Dexter top. That top. Just hear us sing a new hit song a while ago, you know. Rose.
And that me I tell them, so me soon fix up that one for you, yeah. They name the old banger phone. It's moves with the old tiger bone. The girl them world. From a the girl them thing me they heal them. So fix it up.
The girl them world.
I want thing you not go wear no G-string. You not go wear them clothes. You name rose a rose.
We know wear G-string, we know wear girl clothes. And we name soldier clothes.
It's the one that play with Prince, man.
You take man for fool now, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You never take girl for fool and then they go take Chantel. You never know say who can play that game.
The team, yeah, play. It's
Yeah, me a gear back, yeah. Then my flat me and tell me say you know want me a Chantel I want. Well, me no want you know a Rick me want. Right now me and Rick married.
Yeah, Mackay left. Yeah, Mackay left.
Long time.
Oh.
You have a big fan left.
Yeah, Rick and me now.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I tell bullet, man.
Yeah. In the full of lyrics, you know.
Hey, don't show that piece of panty stick.
So what?
Panty stick.
Oh, so like you say panty stick. Hey, shit, the man
When
said that.
panty say when you come up here panty I don't like them things. That's why I'm not being too know them person come with the G-string.
Yeah. And then come with
You come
panty.
with panty.
Panty a Rick me want.
I say you go on. I say
Yeah.
you tap it.
Yeah.
But they say you.
Yes.
They say you.
Yeah.
No people talk. No people come up here and come tell me say yeah, take a man for fool, you know.
Say no fool.
Huh?
Say you that take me for fool and you take Chantel.
You go on. Yeah, go on the order, you know.
You should go on the order. Baby, I go on the order.
I know I tomorrow you know I pin no money come to me you know you know.
The Wow kitchen, you know. Cooking a lot of Wow FC. And then do have to go KFC. And turn chicken back in a Wow FC. So you know it goes already. Long time KFC don't say Wow Chef money. Wow Chef money. Yeah.
Me left. Me have a nine woman.
Yeah.
Me have a to find Tom Talbot. Me have enough woman boy yeah.
Yeah.
To love me.
Hey.
And baby no love me. Me no love her.
Hey.
Me step aside.
Me have two more too.
Yeah, too.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them you know what?
Rose.
Your birthday.
Oh, go on.
They're supposed to treat you and take nice good care.
No, you
Go on your plate.
I have brief cup.
The pass through. Johnny.
More one. You blend some nice. You can blend up some sourdough juice, you know.
Johnny, what go on here, sir? Oh, you grow
It spoil, man. The melon spoil.
in a what is?
The sun.
In a sun you grow it, you know?
Nah, they said grow from a run up to that.
So where go on with that, sir?
Now the belly is clear from us. What go on there?
Johnny, soup peas?
The soup is just ital with the day, you know.
Ital? Oh, you take out the meat. So Johnny, oh you want to sell me ital shoe when all meat done? Rosa like it with the pigtail. With Corona taking over the place. Everybody have him hold them face. No man, no fit touch. One story. Done so I go on already. You have something for me? Yeah man, I have a suitcase for you. I got a suitcase for you. A suitcase. A suitcase. No, it's here already. It's a lot already. It's here already. Uncle Yarn is there. Yeah. It's here for you, mate.
In the bathroom. I finished the bathroom. I cut them and drop in the tunnel. I finished them.
Yeah, I do the kitchen today.
Yeah.
Quick and fast. Got the kitchen small. Yeah. Ma, how are you there?
Okay.
Okay.
Supposed to do it. No man, some of the can't do the scenes here, man. I think you're not there, man.
Yes guys, so you know today we're gonna tile out the kitchen and finish cutting out the pieces for the bathroom.
My mango in the spring, you know.
To make juice. And I'm going to heat in Jamaica, I don't know why. Yeah. Yes, I take her itch up in her teeth.
Itching teeth. Itching teeth.
Itching in her upper teeth.
Itching teeth. Boy,
yeah. That is it.
Yeah?
No, we never deal with that yet.
You go here, put this in a room, don't let it out in there.
Look, put them back down underneath this, sir.
Do that.
Underneath this, sir. This, sir.
Yes,
No, no, yes, sir.
No, no. Boy, I'm putting your belly button.
I'm Sunday with it.
I'm going to work.
Oh. Natural. Let me have to do the measurement, right?
Yeah.
I take measure for you, madam. With mine over this. Yeah.
No.
No, phone here.
Can buy at least 3 of them or 2.
3 of them are 2.
Yeah, can you have
24 by 24, them have
yeah.
24 by 40.
24 by 24. You want 3 of them?
Yeah, can just put them over and cut out the road.
And cut out the road, yeah. You know, I know if you box
Yeah, man, back splash.
You know, that side I want at least 6 or 10 of them. Can put even one more.
What? 24 at the end of that?
No, 12.
12, 24 by 12. 6 of them. 6 of them.
You would have this,
And then we go
And then 6.
4, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yeah, 10.
10.
And street 24 by 24.
Yeah.
No, a nice backsplash over there. But I wonder if I sell them myself one day. Come look here, wow. Come show you something.
That's it, measure it already.
Come. So we get some backsplash sometime for the kitchen counter. You know, so we support it. In the community, you know, the guy who do it here in the community. So we're gonna make it work.
Nice, yes, guys,
And them one, yeah?
Yeah.
Have a portion of them, you can get one. And you don't know if somebody won't go there.
But inside them one enough for touch.
Picture. Yeah, man, them one they're good.
Oh. Push it, hold out.
Johnny. Kino done.
Ah, listen.
You know.
Alright. What's your damage? What's your damage?
Them thick.
Me nice. Me good. Me solid, man, me solid. Me good. Turn it round. Before turn it round. Turn it long way to the street. Turn to the street, please. Turn to the street. No, man, turn to the street. Turn it round. Turn the cut. It's a cut out. It's a cut out. Ah, see it? You can turn this up. You can turn this up. So, what do you want to say? This. Let's come and turn the one and say. This is a compass, so you can turn this. You can drop in a piece of this, and this has slides back on the end of this.
Yeah, you go both this here. So
Yeah, man. You can put on the piece. I'm putting it all back. Alright, so this is a compass, so.
They don't scare up this wood.
Alright.
Johnny, you that one, yeah? Yeah, one. Yeah. You wanna go? Richest.
I want old man, I want old woman, they want TikTok, you know. So why me carrying?
I go on. Dope that. No, man, I joke him, man. I want a rose and rose and rose. A rose and rose and rose, man. A rose and rose and rose, man. A rose and rose and rose. Johnny. A rose and rose.
No, Dexter top, me like Dexter top.
Like Dexter top.
Me like Dexter, the Dexter top.
Dexter top. That. Just you sing a new hit song a while ago, you know. Rose and rose.
And that me I tell him, so me soon fix up that one there for you, yeah? They name the old banger phone. It's roots with the old tiger bone. The girl them world. Mama the girl them ting me they heal them. Me soon fix it up.
The girl them world. It's when the girl them thing get the in there. Oh.
This man over here that he come and tell me about.
Richie Stevenson.
I want to you now go be the string. You now go wear them clothes. You name rose and rose.
We know wear G-string, we know wear girl clothes. And we name soldier clothes.
And Johnny I go like him an artist, you know. Johnny, what you call you on the stage round there, running the full of lyrics, you know.
Hey, go show the piece of panty stick.
So what?
Panty stick.
Oh, so like you say panty stick. Hey, shit,
When panty stick, when you come up here panty, I don't like them things. That's why I'm not being too know them. First thing come with the G-string.
Yeah. And then come with panty.
Come with panty. Don't build no tune until you're them here, man.
Yeah.
Build them by yourself. Here, panty.
Panty.
So, how much woman wear?
Draws. Anyway, drawers.
Yeah.
Drawers. A drawers, then we're here, Johnny. What?
No follow no follow Johnny. When you are doing your lyrics,
Hey.
like you hear me say, you did say that. Say anyway, the girl let them.
I know Backshot alone. I know Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah.
The girl them run. From a G-string to me no in there.
Oh yeah, no,
Up on the river on the bank. The girl them well. They come a taxi daddy. Where you want to go by? Eh? The girl them well. Yo, that's true. That's true.
I'm tell him say bring him down.
That's true. Oh. So Duke that can bring dog from the corner. And
This is a rescue dog.
yes.
Oh, one little boy, I took one little girl while I got the dog rescue them. So I'm gonna bring the dog there. I'm a rescue dog that here, remember? This is a rescue dog. That look like a rescue dog.
Duke that back that. Hey Johnny, you never tell me say you have rescue dog outside here. I do that. Okay, I see. Rex vex and get up and gone. Rescue dog. Hey, was something else, you know. Dragon stout. Oh no. All them man drinking spear dragon, you know.
Brother.
Yeah man, brother dragon. Brother dragon. Yeah, brother dragon. Rescue dog. Rescue dog. Man looked up at the same complexion. And the same complexion. Okay. The rosary was the favorite part, the ital part. Johnny, if you cook stew peas, you better cook it right. Rosary was favorite. Protein. You get protein A, protein B, protein C and protein D. Rosary was with the protein, vitamins and well too.
Protein, you get a protein.
Don't forget. You get pro tool. Guys, you get protein, you get pro tool. Proteins A, protein B, and pro tools. And what else? Logics. Yeah, Logics peas and Logic beans. That's why I love stew peas so much. Are you a thing? Okay. And are you a beer, and are you a red stripe, are you a thing? Oh. Well, I was supposed to say a man loves stew peas, so stew peas nice still, you know. If you cook it right. You know? So you like when your woman cooks stew peas, Rosa Rose? Oh, you always cook it? Oh. So she can't tie you with no rope. You tie yourself with the rope. Hey. You tie yourself with the rope. Rosa Rose, you know, sir? Have I curry dumpling yet? Alright, then watch it. Let's watch the next part where we'll cook. Ever eat oats dumpling? Coconut dumpling? If they say you're missing out, man. Yes, I look oats one too with the coconut milk. Pumpkin dumpling?
The season rice never been coconut body.
Yeah, everything we do coconut off in night. So what about pumpkin dumpling? No, Rosa Rose, you're missing out, man. You're missing out. So here, next trip, Rosa Rose. You're good. So that's like a sample next, right? I get the callaloo rice. The soul come back. That is it. The soul come back. I want to play football on TV. I running. Alright guys, so welcome.
2020 are gone.
Yeah, I know I never greet you guys, so welcome to Kino life in Jamaica. You know, we so far in the video never say well. You know the thing goes, sometimes it's the word that makes me forget, you know, because I was making from road to road. So welcome. So we're back here on the Worship project. You know the thing goes already. Babe, let's drink some water. Yes, so Natural is in there, finishing off he's gonna do the kitchen as well to get rid of the floor and everything for Worship kitchen. Now they can say Worship here is mixing up some tin set. Anyway, everything set. You know, the set. Yes. You know, and Natural up here I deal with the kitchen. Wow. The wow kitchen, you know. Cooking a lot of wow FC. And then don't have to go KFC and turn chicken back in a wow FC. So you know it goes already. Long time KFC don't say wow chef money. Wow chef money. Long time. Yeah, not one hour. But wow chef KFC don't see your money. When last KFC see your money?
Since last month. The month before last month.
Okay, I feel
that.
Oh, that's one time we and D and Sean, all the team got.
Yeah, man, you know. We have a 3-piece, you know. We have a barbecue, you know. I'm a deep fry. You see? Yeah, man.
So which one tastes better, the WFC or the KFC? WFC or KFC? Which one?
WFC have a nice special barbecue spice, you know, but you know.
But KFC.
I think KFC them props till the WFC thing up and running. You see me I say?
So you say the KFC is better than your WoW FC?
No, not really better than my FC, but that's what them are going things now, you know.
So where you are going with now?
You don't know, look, you know, really up. You see me I say running. You see me I say? So up and running, man. You see? Yeah, man, you see me I say? So, by next year, you got the WoW FC. Yeah, man, you got a train night, you know. Yeah, man, so you know, you go jungle, Tivoli, Waterhouse, you know. About, you know, have a train night.
Worship is the only
let's have a food chain.
Yeah, man, have a train night, man.
And when it's a film business, a pure woman come by, you know?
Woman and female, man. Come like a woman come around, you know.
Yeah.
Stronger vibes, you know. No, man. You see that?
Yes, a pure woman come.
Yeah, man.
No, male a pure woman come for the chicken bag.
Yeah, man. Let me know all of the dumpling too. So I say,
yeah, ladies come feet. I want them to mash up your business, you know. Wow.
Good, man.
Them good. Yeah.
You see what I say? I have a train night, man. I have a train night, you know.
Good afternoon. Natural.
Good afternoon. Natural.
Who says so?
Someone goes there, blacker.
You have going for this? You have no 1 minute?
No, I don't have it, you know. Lend because I don't know who I can't get. I don't know who I lend for this one. No, we're not gone with it.
Gone with it. Gone with it.
You know, went away with it.
Oh.
The owner.
Tile is going down nice. Neat. Quick. I'm telling you, it's done already.
Put water in it, boy. Put water in it. Throw water in it now. Nice soft, man. Yeah. Water in it.
Actually, 20 minutes here, we almost finished already.
Oh, I'm going to cut them down.
So let me see how much.
Yeah, let me get this and I'm going to cut them. Maybe I'm going to cut them down too.
Countertop blending right with the floor as well too. Countertop blend in with the floor.
Yeah.
$13.5. Then right back in, right prefect. It come fast. Turn off the washer. Pure iron washer bag. Man, sweat it out. Oh yeah, sweat it out, man. Greasy. You put cement in it. I put cement in it.
Put in already.
Bounty. Everything a bounty. Bounty killer. Bounty.
Let's get them piece and cut right on it. You know,
If you cook your piece for your God, you will never tell another lie. I know it's true. What true peace can do. You cook true peace, you better cook it right.
Inside, Mark. The inside or the outside, man?
2 line.
2 liners, 2 liners. Oh.
The one Prince there. Prince! Fiat! Prince! Oh.
Princess song there.
Fiat, turn on the music, Fiat.
Princess.
No, come on.
Princess down there. Can I say we're on our yard? She will come, Kino. Come now.
Prince, you hear the voice there?
I want to laugh for.
You hear the voice there, Prince?
Yeah, me yeah.
How?
A baby.
Are you baby mother?
Oh.
Yeah.
A different man me have, you know him.
Me don't come over your yard.
You can't come over my yard.
Tina, tell him now. Tell her.
He never did it.
Me never come. Where we did it? 2 of you did it.
2 of you there, eh?
2 of you meet teeth we did it.
Oh, baby, come look for you, never know.
Me see her. Me there on that 2 of you shop at teeth out. And I'm see her. I'm calling some more. Calling her 2. Go to yard. I'm not see her.
For what? You want to go down my yard for me there?
Come talk to you.
For what? You have something to give me?
Make it me up.
Something?
The day me say me idea one cube, buy 1 cube. I'm not there.
You buy a cake for me?
No, me that buy it, you know. Me print it buy it, you know.
So what? So buy it now, no give me now, no? You Sam something, no? Go along in and give Sam something.
Me
Last give your son something.
we gonna have it half a month down there. And I did me no money yet.
Who have the money down there?
Baby, take and I did me no money.
Oh.
In a man, to come deep.
But then I can't be Sam's father, because you have nothing for the Sam's.
No, that.
So, guess what?
The net man I did him.
Yeah, a clock sit by him.
Him buy him clothes.
yeah, man. Wow, man.
Rick.
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 Every day talk about Rick. Every day come up here talk about Rick.
Son of Rick.
Rick.
It's in a Rick, not Rick.
Yeah.
Sam's registered in a
Rick.
Rick.
Princess come here, I got here.
Rick name, you know.
No, for me, no.
Not even
I'm
see the
telling you,
ring.
for me,
You're
no.
not even see the ring, Rick.
I'm telling you, for me, no.
You're not even see the ring,
Sam's name change, you
Tell
know.
us that for me.
You say
I
name.
want to fight in here.
Mother-in-law.
I want for me, no.
Mother-in-law, yeah.
No, yo, Pigeon. This two say man.
Sam's name change.
I film penny. Make a film penny. No.
See?
No.
That I go on.
No violate me, you know, good on.
No violate the man. Don't violate him, you know.
The day, me tell her say, come now. Then I bring down me out, then I'm kick her out. Money. Oh, you not come.
Yeah.
Because Rick have me away, so that's why I not come.
Okay.
When you say, yeah, me for buy the cake for you.
Rick buy it already. And we eat it after our tea party. We go down a mall.
Wait, who party?
Down a mall.
Downtown.
Downtown, down a mall.
And you come call me and
I call if you can't
and
eat
tell me say, me for come pay a fee.
No, Rick do everything already. Princess, I like the ring on the buy me.
A princess in it too as well.
Tell me, yo,
Princess in it.
no,
Buy a ring.
who buy the ring there then? Buy the ring there.
Have it on for that thing.
God, I say I want. I say I want with me.
Yeah.
Still wanna play with Prince, man.
You take man for fool now, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They never take girl for fool and then they go take Chantel. You never know
Wait.
who can play that game.
The TM, yeah, pay. It
Yeah, me a give back, yeah. Remember you flat me and tell me say you know want me a Chantel you want. Well, me no want you know a Rick me want. Right now me and Rick married.
Yeah, Makai left. Yeah, Makai left.
Long time.
Oh.
You have a big friend left.
Yeah, Rick and me now.
Yeah, that a go on.
I tell Bullet man.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me see him.
Yeah, I tell the police
I say
man.
police man. You have Makai there. You have
Bibi.
Bibi there. Just say, oh, you have Bibi there. You have Bibi left. Me ask him.
Yeah, ask him.
Tom, I say son there.
Yeah.
I've been there, maybe and put on to me. I call on a big donor, Makai.
Okay, I ask him.
Them time them time me and Rick gone up at the Vanos can eat ice cream.
Aye. That a go on.
Me a ramping.
Shall ramping up.
Yeah, take. You have Makai, you have Makai left. You come back to,
Rick.
my uncle.
Yeah.
Go to.
So let's go.
And then pay me you want pay for me.
You jealous?
Me him come mash up my life to it.
But your life story done in mash up long time because from I take Chantel and say Chantel woman, I just leave you because you know when I make sure though, I make sure take somebody when I know I go hurt you, somebody in your family.
A peer thing a go on, man.
Me set.
Peer things a go on, man. Go on, you.
You, yo. Me tell you this.
Baby. Man,
Anytime you Tim me youth.
yeah.
And look, one woman come. Me and baby, me and Mac Kino, one woman come. And one woman tell me say, me for take time.
Take her.
Me for take.
Take some.
Me for come. Me for anytime time come down
Take some.
Time, baby, my the net woman. The net woman,
Sam can't call another woman. Sam can't call another woman.
The net, Tino.
Sam never call me, mommy, and call Rick daddy.
Tina, pin the net, that'll come. I'm a T. The net, that I'll marry. I'll name my name. And I one day put time name in a woman
name. Okay, so you put.
So, yeah, mad.
T him unfelled. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow.
Yeah.
My woman come,
Yeah.
Tina come.
Yeah.
Kina bring her come.
Pin.
A clone, Kina clone.
Me, take me a come up in your yard, but take time.
Yeah.
You can't
Two
come
night,
up there. You can't come
Tonight.
up here and Rick there, you mad?
Rick up there
You
now.
can't fight Rick. Rick
Me
in my bed right now.
Me nah
Raking on my bed right
You know.
now.
Quick ornament.
Yeah.
I thought me and talk
This you
about.
have to talk about the ring.
See the ring there?
Me and talk about.
Shall I show you the ring?
Ring on the finger.
Can you see the rings?
Ring.
Feel
ring.
it, feel that hand.
Don't make it touch me, don't touch me. I don't want my man vex. Don't touch me.
Ring up on finger.
Lord. I know you know put on a ring for my you put on a ring for your hand so.
Yeah.
Don't want to ring on.
I say you go on. I say you tap it.
Yeah.
But I say you.
Yes.
They say you.
Yeah.
No people come up here and come tell me say you take a man for fool, you know.
Say not fool.
Yeah.
Say that take me for fool and take chantel.
You go on the order, you know.
You should go on the order. Baby, I go on the order.
I know I tomorrow you know I pin the money come to me, you know, you know. Pin that from me, you know.
Baby, you know I bring the money, come get the man. He said, she not bring the money, come get it, though. Oh, shall you rig the money?
Yeah, for buy nothing and
Yeah. And now I give you no money. Alright, Prince. Prince, what you do? I make you do you that.
You don't know.
Say, baby, I want me do you make you do me that.
anytime.
Say, baby, I want me do you make you do me that.
Why you do me that?
Because they take chantel.
Baby, what me do you make you do me that.
Tina do me eat me up here once tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm
The song, I play a song. Baby, what you do me make me do you that. Yeah. What song?
I'm more thing.
I'll tell you who sang me I sing for you.
Mhm.
Burn him,
Take
take man
man
for
for
him,
him.
take him, picnic and run him.
Morning. I'm pick them on.
Can't get no picnic, so.
Oh,
This is Rick and him gonna town now, gonna buy grocery for going out.
and Desert Clarks. Hey, a pure things are going on, you know.
I take up that half I'm truth, you know.
Well, the Clarks.
The bright here.
A 30,000.
Yeah.
And a tanty there, you know.
Not buy nothing.
And a tanty there, you know.
And the Ganzi. A 30,000 Rick pay for the Desert Clarks, you know.
Where him take money from? Who buy him take money from?
Yeah, I don't know where him get Princess give him. A princess give him the money.
I look him up, Pete.
I work for it. Oh.
Yo, no, make we one man life, you know.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, you know.
No.
Look that half fit.
Yeah, that you can't fit him. All when it bigger than him foot him a wear to a stuff it and him a wear it.
Hey.
Yeah.
When me buy a night too like that.
Now when I want them shoes, them shoes away I buy a Costco shoes.
When me buy the look the big them shoes. I want 2.5 for one of them that.
So we have to take our one for 30 grand. I reckon one more than 30 grand.
Yeah, man. They get yo.
Yeah.
You know that man fool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Saying a fool.
Yeah, look at me. Look at my face.
So
look at me. Me no.
So what
mad,
me
yeah?
Look, me looking at your face.
Yeah, come talk about. No mad. You know, you feel like, eh? Look at look at the public man. You and him left. And that if you look fun. The public man all and mash up.
Yeah, that's why I take Rick where young and fresh, and you all are mash up too.
Prince, don't the car, Prince, don't do that, Prince.
Look.
Alright, hush, Prince. Now what you said, man. They get the foreign woman will come, yeah?
So on Kino clone with you like foreign woman. The foreign woman.
Foreign woman will come, yeah?
The foreign woman then I want you.
Yeah.
Me not clone you out.
Yeah. I know thing. Me take.
Where you get?
Tell her where you get.
No thing.
Get clothes,
Say
money.
Once on Sunday when time I Rick go down a waterfront. You go down a waterfront?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Rick buy ice cream and him just a feed me with the ice cream. So I say my body fan. Wow, them two you look good here. And I just put up my ring and say, see it was just married.
Hey.
Be a congratulations.
Oh.
You lock up a shop down there.
You don't want to know what me do.
No, me say you lock up a shop.
No.
Yeah. Shop lock up. Alright.
Tell me up my woman. It's a bun you say.
Yeah, bun me.
Anytime, baby, anytime.
Born your prince.
Anytime. Me and Tantel come. Anytime Tantel come up here.
Chantel now come up here.
Tomorrow me and I come
You don't
up
know
here.
what Chantel there? Chris. You
My
know,
friend?
Yeah, Chris are up on the bus. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Alright.
So much thing are going.
I like you go down there.
I mean, I go down there. I say,
Then-
me
then
carry
I call her.
I me carry what's your name? What's Chantal's sister name again? Ghana foreign? No, Poochie's son go to school.
And you see,
Every morning, you want to throw them a kiss up and a go on.
Hey.
Princess, when you're pushing us them together.
Yeah, me see them for sure.
Oh,
So Prince I
My
get
woman
born from
says so.
both sides.
yeah, Chantal.
my woman did.
Yeah, take your best friend named Chris.
I think no come up here, come tell me no.
So that's why Chris now link you again, because Chris take away your woman from you.
Jeez, I'm crying.
Yeah.
Have nobody again.
Yeah, you that man.
Prince, don't worry, yeah. Prince,
Yeah, you that man.
Prince, don't worry. Princess,
Yeah.
this I get hot. I'm gonna give Princess this. Yeah, Prince, don't worry, man. Don't worry, yeah? Don't worry, man. Tell her, say, what goes around, comes back around. Say it.
Come back around, man.
God
Yeah.
send up your blood pressure. Yeah, my man,
Yeah.
Rick. Princess, I tell you, ask you to get tomorrow for dinner. You want some food?
Aye,
Alright.
aye,
I bring a bowl.
aye.
And don't give him none of the
Like a
water.
friend.
Oh, don't give him
Well, Prince, we can't help you, you know.
No, you know.
Prince, we can't help you, you know.
Mama,
I'm going to
Give me a
go
thing.
the right name,
Give
the
me
plate.
give me a thing.
I'm so yeah, thing. Well, I can't help you right now, you know. Princess,
Yeah.
I'm back for you.
My, look enough woman them out in town find now.
man know why.
Backyard.
Back road.
Enough woman. Name Tina them tap me a vacuum.
Hear them now.
Hey.
Kino no for back road there.
I'm
I'm bringing her back.
a woman.
Hey.
Hey, boy.
Any woman know me. Me not mad. Look at me.
Yeah, look at him, baby.
Me not mad.
He's not mad.
You know mad, so Rick take me away.
Me not mad. You know come talk to me. Come say.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
move.
Come on. Time.
I love Chantel.
Oi, Princess, this hotter than kettle,
Ma?
hotter than the boiling water in the kettle. Princess, we have a bag here for you.
Keep my company and I tell you why you're ready to sing. Normal.
Just Princess, remember the song.
Hear them too.
Yeah.
Me left. Me have a nine woman.
Yeah.
Me have a find Tom Talbot. Me have enough woman boy
Yeah.
to love me.
Hey.
And baby no love me. Me
Eh.
no love her.
Hey.
Me nah
Step aside
Me have
now.
two more too.
And
Yeah. Yeah, two more children.
You two now.
You should just let it go a while ago.
Step aside now.
Hey.
Another man come to take over.
Aye.
Me have 15 that me want $100 more
Yeah.
than $50.
Yeah.
And anytime me have more money.
Hey.
Me nah no money. Me anytime me take money.
Yeah.
Me have woman go want me.
Yeah.
Woman don't love me.
Alright. Yes, Sam. Yeah, tell I get up, Prince. Hey. Alright. Alright. now. Hey.
One day me go ni club.
Hey.
Ni pan.
Hey.
Team water.
Hey.
On a belly.
Hey. Woo! Pull up. The girl water and bun her belly.
When we in here, one piece of sitting.
Cause we're a big artist. I can think.
Yeah.
You.
You can't give
Me
me a
have
house in
me have a
Eh.
next party.
Yeah.
Me have a next party.
Yeah.
Pick up action. Pick up column tour.
Yeah.
We anyway me over me have enough fen over column to me
Yeah.
have 50 fen baby.
Hey.
And the way fat man them me have favorite man them say TT about the
Hey, Mulu. Let it go.
do let's pay back. Pay your tune now.
Play your tune. Well, baby, now no more tune. Baby, run out that tune. She run out. You kill her. You kill her.
Give me them two nudes there now.
Yeah. Oh.
And baby dab and come on.
Hey, Princess. Hey, the place get hot. Princess, I have a bag here for you from Auntie Brown from the USA. Princess. And your name is written on it.
No, you know.
Oh, baby, don't get
No, the
none.
baby, you know.
Alright then, a princess me I get, don't worry.
Daddy wicked.
Shaggy Ricket.
That's the earth, yeah.
It's about me.
It's the earth, yeah.
It's about you. Look by you, it's about you.
That's how Rick gonna market with songs.
You can tell Auntie Brown thanks.
Auntie Brown, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Grateful for
Can I
it.
cut up my face?
Thank you again.
Thump up your face.
No violence.
Come on, make
No violence, Prince.
Bad feel.
My police come for you. You want Mackay come lock you up?
you know,
Mackay will lock you up. You want to go to prison?
you're easy, yeah?
My go to prison. No, none of that. My go to prison. Police out there, so don't talk so. Them lock you up. You're mad.
You're lucky, me not do nothing yet. Everything you do, me I do back.
Hey.
Everything you do, me I do back.
Tell her she's jealous.
I mean, tell kids for 1 hour.
Alright, Princess. You know the thing go already. Prince, now go away now. Don't give me that, you know. How you get Chantel?
Give me go get songs.
I'm going on. Have your money.
You come over, Prince. Yeah? What you say, man? You gotta get hold of a woman. You're the worry about baby. She gone now. Rick take car over, so just move on.
Prince,
Yeah?
tell her, remember Father's Day. Tell her, remember Father's Day.
Oh, Sam's not bring nothing to come give. I Rick Sam's I get a big basket.
God.
Oh gosh.
Sam, Rick play father. He's not playing a father role.
Oh
That
gosh.
don't sound good.
Why? Shout the Prince so bad. Prince, oh, shout
You
the
want
so
a
bad.
basket though?
Yeah,
Say, baby, please, they get a basket.
baby, please.
We are called baby. Chantel, you are called.
You have to about it now.
Alright, may I make sure you get the basket? Baby, buy him the basket. Oh God, him say please.
No, Rick, me want Rick hurt me.
Oh God, man.
He
They
just say I'm gonna cut up my face a while ago.
say I love you, baby.
I love you.
Alright, just next week.
Go on in.
Alright, Princess. Yeah, man, so we give thanks. Prince, know yourself, yeah?
Go on in, Dada.
Alright, baby, you broke the man heart.
No, baby. You can't see this school down here.
Yes, me like what I go on. The place looking nice.
Inside me.
Inside, flash out, you know. Place looking nice,
The
man.
rain a fall, make me not go buy the rest of
Materials and thing.
I want them wash away.
Yes, yes. But me, I like the way you do. Of course. Looking nice.
Look at selling and go on with it.
See you, man.
Yeah, man.
Touch it, man. You know, I think the God, you know.
Alright.
When it's the time, the time. You put a communicate. Gate one gate. Alright then, Princess. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Auntie Brown, you know. Princess, thank you so much for that bag. You know, man, bless him. Boy, baby, I don't know where you do, sir. Where you do, Prince, you know, star. She's crying.
Fuck me up.
No, sir. Ah, no.
I'm a dumpling for this.
No more dumpling and chicken and plant.
So I'm dumpling, chicken and plantain. That's all. No, shop. What much him give you? Much him give you? Chicken bag, pan bag, a corner.
Yeah, can tell us I'm a big godfather. Godfather. Sal baby.
Aye.
Buy stroll already.
Allah, ya that a go on.
Buy stroll already.
Bag of chicken that man.
Yeah, we have chicken and chicken.
Chicken and chicken back. And chicken neck.
Yeah.
After that.
Yeah, man, they're gonna win.
No one win.
Ragadan! Roots at work.
Work, yes, man. And I roll.
And the roots at work and the roots not work. Which one?
Which one, no? Because we would not sleep. We are talking now, work.
It's at work, man.
Knock it, knock out here, no.
Knock it,
Make you wake up.
Roots knock him out, man.
Knock you out.
Yeah, tell him, right? Knock it out.
No, wake up. Who's not in wake up thing?
Knock you out. Roots at work. See the barrel with the roots going on.
Yeah.
See it, yeah? Barrel of roots. Yeah.
I'm gonna get big and fat, man.
Olivier.
Around there, so big water the day, can go around and look around there now. Now walk around there now. Go around and look around big, some the water the day, go around and look around there now.
I must say,
Man, that's cool.
please.
Manas.
Yeah. Kino, you been a father, sir?
Long time.
Nothing can drive up and drive down. But no, I want one. I see me a cut out here.
No,
No, some people know where deal me.
look not forget the camera. We can't come up the camera all the way, man.
Who send them? The contest is dream team, man.
Mingo.
Yeah, two like coffee no man.
Oh, yes, sir.
Amigo say, come in, man. Smile bright. Amigo say, a black in anymore. You're gonna brown in. Too brown.
A black?
No, she brown.
Yeah, man. Come here, turn up. Come here. Welcome, man. Yeah, man.
Are you a color?
Hi, girl.
Extension.
Amigo with the extension.
Yeah, man. The car there. The car guy box.
Amigo.
Yeah, that's it. Want to go up on the wall, you know, my brother. Tell the man about it was for school and all type of thing, man. Make man with them come make them come with me alright, you know.
Current tonight? Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Man. One go to one man, man. I didn't go up on the wall, you know.
How MTV remote there?
See, that's up on me.
Yeah, we're chewing it. Hope it work. Amigo.
Oh, you stay. Oh, the pocket stay.
Yeah, battery.
Packet.
Oh, Club, no money.
No money?
No money, me not talk. That's all, man.
How much you want?
Oh, me have left.
Baby,
Me have left.
this. Count it, baby.
Yeah, we're going for that, keep that man.
Keep what?
Go and keep what?
That as well till the 5. Keep what? I don't know how much you have left.
I like him up to that man. I'm going to keep that man.
55, 500.
55? Amigo, you have 55,500.
55,000.
Yeah.
They give me 25 man. I'm buy some good. It's fair not there now. They want to get the wheelchair, remove wheelchair, you can go get some money, you know.
Same one, 25. Give him 25.
Yes, no, me last month me told him to say, I'm saying you can buy. You 400 and I 400 that thing, you know the boy check out him back. 450, that's $2,000. I tell me, say boy, I that feet. I became mad funny for my money. The president, Tina Ross, and the president. Because they want to cook me them bread, you know. Tina Ross. No, that's an underpants, no, big underpants, you know, look.
Now go on. Are the wrong one?
Want it store.
Nothing
lock. Screw on.
Come on, lock man.
Lock
A good man can go and eat lock.
I think this out. This one.
Your Kino?
50.
Yeah, 50,500.
Okay.
Not 55. And you want 25?
Yeah, so it's 50,500. Okay, so it's 50,500.
Give me 25.
Give him 25.
2, 4,
I'll go search people.
Cheap there.
8, 10.
I'm doing that to the total.
What?
I'm doing the total and the point. Give me that right.
8, 10.
I go up on the wall and
5.
That it one Wi-Fi, yes. Hey, I'm going.
You might go get the Wi-Fi.
Huh?
You not pay what I hear money.
Now you are giving me something what I hear.
If you can't reach over there, there's some way you can. You say, you give him 25 count and put name on.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
And you have 25.
50.
25.
500.
Him have 25,500 left back. Alright.
Every day you want to make a tour, come up on a car,
Not fine.
No, fine. It's an outside antenna.
Yeah. So what is
This are the
cable wire.
this? One is the antenna. You have this too. See the antenna there. The antenna there. Try. Is that bigger one there?
Go out there, sir. So pick up outdoor.
Amigo. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna tell.
Amigo, you need to get the cable or somebody give you some Wi-Fi.
Cable?
Yeah, you need to get the cable. Yeah, cable.
Oh, I better wear a cable. I'm not going to find him.
Yeah. So make him get some cable. Yeah?
Wicked man, how I go on? See man come fix the TV and every day I send me around it.
TV, antenna now works, so you get
Oh, you know
cable.
what DM send me come call him, tell him,
Yeah, amigo. Amigo? Yeah? Cable.
Yeah.
You get the cable or internet?
When I come there,
Not me. You need somebody to run it.
Let somebody do it.
where am I?
You remote, yeah.
I put back here.
Alright guys.
I left the antenna.
Yeah. Well guys, Amigo now TV need a cable, I need a Wi-Fi to work on it. Because the antenna with them it's not picking up, but just bought one as well. Still not picking up. Like me, you want some cable man. Who can give cable? Nobody can give some cable. Can't bust him on some cable. Oh, the Wi-Fi can't reach over there.
Full Wi-Fi and phone, them TV. You know, I'm always waiting next come out, I put them TV on because I don't understand it.
Oh.
I feel.
Oh.
Stop trying to think for the remote. And if I plug out the TV.
Okay, so
plug out the TV, they will set by the time before the internet can come up back.
Something for the remote, you have to know if it's
Every time I plug it out.
Okay, jump up back.
Put it on the TV and watch show enough time, but if you can't stand, you know where I'm on the cable is it true, if not the problem, the cable will say.
Can change channel, yeah.
And that's right, that's what that is.
Rain!
So how much I'm charge the cable?
Jeremy and me, you know how much I'm charging to install it, you know, but that's $500
Oh, 500 a week. And the installation fee different. $6,000. Okay. And $500 a week. So you could have linked Jeremy.
Him come on Bali, we already are Bali near to him too.
So you could have get something.
So him could have, you understand? Because him come and could have look at Bali there, so like him run Bali one.
Oh. So me have to go look. Alright, so you could have link him?
If we went that out time we see him, I just like
Tomorrow Sunday, my work, my party.
Sunday, yeah, like the Sunday.
Collect tomorrow, collect tomorrow.
Sunday. And he come in.
Is it that we
Up the road, you know. About 5 feet in the middle,
everything we have to see now and give him the money for the installation.
Come install.
Yeah, I'm up the road, it's up the news, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah,
I might come see him tomorrow though.
Yeah, he might come here tomorrow.
yeah man, not tomorrow.
Okay.
Collect, huh? Sunday, collect, man.
Alright, so guys, what we have to go do is here, out of the remaining of Amigo money, we have to go pay for the cable. You know, but we have to go maintain the $500 a week for the see your work. Yes, guys. So as I was saying,
Yeah, man, like, yeah.
yes, guys. As I was saying, I have to get the cameraman to put on the cable for Amigo. You know, so out of his remaining 25,000, we're gonna pay 25,500. We're gonna pay the 6,000 for them to install his cable. So I'm happy to watch because he said I'm really bored around here. So we have to go pay the cable man to go and do that, to install it for them. So that is it. Whoa. Whoa, you know? Whoa, you know? That is that. That is that. So, old chef kitchen.
I'm still seeing this one after I left them some money, I'm still.
Yeah. Oh, chef, I walk past slide on tile.
Oh, chef, then what's now there about you?
Yeah, when I'm turning on the night, I want to come up in there. Yeah. But some of the whole them want, like, I did the phone, I turn on the pipe, because water will come to the pipe.
No, man, the pipe no connect up there.
Which pipe, man, sir? The water pipe. Yeah, man. And I'm turning on the locker, water come through the pipe. Not the sewage, the way the pipe in the wastewater, the drinking water pipe. Not sit around and
have no weight in the pan, no bong.
Yeah, this matter. So I'm turn it on, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, because water, when I'm turning it on, two days the water come.
Yeah, because you want a bong, you can put a bong.
No, man, I'm not turn on that man, so I'm natural colleague up back.
Yeah, guys, you can see World Chef Kitchen just finished tile out.
Yeah.
The floor well tiled. Yeah.
Monday week, you know, get the sink up.
Jeez! Whoa, you know?
Yeah, my face walk, I get my face cool, you know? That's it.
Yeah, tell us that they might get him face cool.
Yeah.
Well, our see there? That is that. Well tile out. So watch if a pure tile comes straight out.
Look a piece left in the bathroom, you know?
So there's a little piece left in the bathroom right here. There's this, you know, there's this gap and inside. So
I have one box and couple to finish up them place there. You see?
quick and fast.
Yeah, and one box. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I full about the bucket them, you know, so. You know, I'm done now, so I'm 5 kitchens there. I'm done now.
Oh, chef, floor feel firm.
Yes,
nah, sink again.
One of them 5 kitchens there.
Nah, I don't get no sink.
Yeah, man, shit.
The mesh alone.
Yeah, hold it.
Hold it, you know.
So,
Yeah.
5 kitchens them
You
now.
can't even tell which part the sink is there.
Trust.
Yeah, man, this 5 settings now, I must say. I'm done, put on the pipe, then one round so. The rest of the pipe, then I bring up fire stuff, we start the next project. We roll it for pipe, you see. So,
Whoa, you know?
yeah, man.
That is that, you know?
That is it, you know.
So, yeah, man, get that finished off, and then we're gonna put the Solitex off, the roofing, you know, Solitex in ceiling, you know, everything on nail Solitex there, you know. So it's only big sandbox left to do right now, you know. Since the World Chef looking good.
I can't carry them around until I'm done.
I'm done, project, man. I'm not really going.
Right now, when the ladies them step in a World Chef place, they don't want to come out.
Man, small New York, you know, room, you know.
It's a small New York. It's not the big New York, it's the small New York they must step in a. Yeah.
See, look, show you know, it's like we're going on action.
Small New York City. Them step in at this trouble. Like, love the look, love the look, love the look. Love the look.
It's a good look. It is a good.
Now you start to see the beauty now, you know. Yeah, and the step now, and the step as well it will make so. A little bit of work left today, you know.
Yeah, man. After the bathroom, done and bowl and everything, and they say I go see.
Yeah.
Spangler, jar for up now.
Ah, that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Huh?
We don't sleep now, I'm going to say on the rock, you know. Why you sleep on the wall, you lock, you know.
Let them say.
I said, no, man, we have a lock, you
When
know.
him done sleep,
Yeah.
then I go say
No, can worship. No, I got stop.
Say the man,
Man,
nah,
you
stop
have to
sleep.
wipe, you know.
Every day. In a glisten.
Come in, get it.
Yeah, man. When you're ready to sit down right in the kitchen, I go and look out, I go and burn and spliff. And I look around and I say, John was there, you know?
You want to set the date with the girls, I know, when them come, them just come, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come. Lots of them, oh, chef, I'm coming around here, you know.
Yeah.
I said, damn it done, man.
Yeah.
Damn it done. And I go see the 100, man, so they want to come and just come.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
I mean.
Fresh up now, because boom birthday today, you know.
I know, bro.
No, right. Sharp man a boom thing, tomorrow boom birthday, you know.
Tomorrow boom birthday.
Yeah, so. Yeah, but my sharp man said I do it in one idea, so.
Okay.
You know.
Ras?
Yeah. No, son in there, no.
Okay, I know I'm left him down there, wash it here.
Yeah.
Alright, then well, that is that for today.
Much aki now, see them here.
So you get some aki.
Yeah, 8 aki.
Half of your tree?
Yeah, because them a cook some aki and look at Caesar rice, you know. Yeah, because 2 boy chicken back get scarce, and I just work with the aki. Yeah, man.
So guys, the chicken back gets scarce.
Yes, I work with the aki.
So what should I work with the aki?
Yeah, man,
the aki can't scarce, you know, so aki tree here.
Aki can't scarce, so I have aki.
Aki tree right here. I always have aki.
Yeah,
you know, I chef just pick some aki.
Yeah, for them.
Put them in your pocket.
Yeah,
put them in your pocket.
I don't want a dozen or a 2. Yeah, man, 8 can lick down pound of rice or pound enough with a piece of salt fish.
Yes. Just like that.
You see me I say?
You should have some coconut milk tonight.
Oh, I'll
gosh.
take a 1 coconut milk from Joe. No, I have coconut milk, man. There was 1 powder in there, you know. Yeah, man, you know it's a right flavour you have to bring it tonight.
Yeah, man.
I want noble soap in night, you know.
Aye.
Yeah, man.
But the nice.
Flavour, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, but you know, saltfish go in there, you know, and man, you know. Yeah, man. See
The
that?
aki.
So do it how I look aki have a tree, put them in your pocket, you know, and zip it up. Yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, man. Straight away, man. Move it. Yeah, aki me have, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, saltfish and rice, look on, you see it?
Yeah. Hear that movie? Eat aki.
Party.
4 people have born June.
So you're the June daddy.
Yeah, the 1st of June.
So anybody want them be able to born in June, link you?
Yeah.
Okay.
June, man, no June flow. I say, oh, you can slide on tile now.
Moonwalk.
Yeah.
You must slide on tile now.
Try to make the dumpling jump in and kind of slide.
I run so.
Dumpling jump and just nah, they can't find it.
Must moonwalk like Michael. Alright, you know the thing is. Moonwalk.
The family.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.